Bill, take those open wagons, aka gondolas, over to the siding so they can be unloaded. There's nothing to unload them with. We'll see about that. Terrence, you can't unload these. No, but I cleared out the area. For what? It is time to add something that's been missing from this HO scale layout. It is this. The Bachmann Cranky the Crane. How else are you going to unload scrap metal and stuff? So this is a Bachmann Deluxe HO scale Thomas & Friends Cranky the Crane. Manually operated crane, swivels 360 degrees with independently adjustable hook and boom. Boom. These are the locomotives we already have. All of these. I hate the blister packs. Let's look at Cranky. That lowers and raises the boom, and this does the What do you think? Is Cranky too close? So we got Cranky. Nice. It works! Nice. Ooh, yeah, it's Mickey Mouse. So in the comments below, tell us what you think of this new HO scale Cranky the Crane. We picked this up on Amazon. There will be a link in the description. It is my affiliate link. Just disclose that to you if you feel free to use it. It doesn't cost you any extra to use it. It does help me to make these great videos. But anyway, easy to build. All you got to do is connect that piece to the base and it's ready to go. Cranky the Crane by Bachmann.